If you forgot MySQL 8 database user password, then no problem. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to reset MySQL database user password on Mac operating system. We will reset non-root user password as well as root user password. Hi, my name is Pradnyan Kurnikam. I am a freelance web developer and Udemy instructor. In my case, I am using macOS 11, also known as macOS Big Sur. You may be using a different version of macOS, but the password reset steps given in this video will be similar. So let's get started. Here I have logged in on my Mac operating system, which is macOS 11 or macOS Big Sur. And I have opened the terminal window. On my terminal window, I can directly enter mysql connect command, or I can change the directory to mysql bin folder like cd/usr/local/mysql/bin, press enter. And on this bin folder, if I type mysql connect command like mysql-u root-p, press enter. Enter the root user password and I get this error, which is error 2002 hy000 can't connect to local MySQL server through socket /tmp/mysql.sock. This is very common error message in case of MySQL database. This error is caused when your MySQL server instance is not running. If you are entering correct password and still getting this error message, minimize this terminal window and go to Mac System Preferences and open this MySQL Instances window. Here if you see this red icon or MySQL instance under Stop State, then select the MySQL instance and check this option Start MySQL when your computer starts up and click this Start MySQL Server button. If you see this pop-up, enter operating system user password. Press OK. And once MySQL Server instance started, you will see a green icon over here. Close this window and go back to terminal window and enter mysql connect command. I will press up arrow key to display previously executed command. Press enter. Enter root user password. And this time we got another error message, which is error 1045 28000 access denied for user root at localhost using password yes. This is also very common error message in case of MySQL database. This error is caused when you enter invalid database user password. The very first thing I would suggest is to check if caps lock is turned on and make sure you are entering correct password string. I will once again enter mysql connect command, press enter, and this time I will enter correct root user password. And sure enough, this time I am logged in to my MySQL database server. I will exit out of my MySQL database server using quit command and clear the screen. Suppose I am connecting to a non-root user account like mysql-u pntutorials-p, press enter, enter the user password, and I am getting this access denied error message. If the MySQL server instance is running and I forgot this user's password, then let's see how we can reset a non-root user account password. To reset a non-root user account password, you must be logged in to a root user account. So I will once again log in to my root user account using mysql-u root-p, press enter, enter root user password, and I am logged in to my MySQL database server from my root user account. First of all, select MySQL database using use MySQL semicolon, press enter, and display list of database users using select user, comma, host from user table, semicolon, press enter, and we can see this PN tutorials user under users list. To change the password for this non-root user, we can use the SQL statement alter user in single quote, name of the user, in my case it's PN tutorials, single quote complete, add symbol, again in single quote, the host name, in my case the host name is percent symbol, so I will enter percent symbol, single quote complete. If in your case it's localhost, make sure to use localhost, space identified by, in single quotes, the new password. I will use the password pass1234, single quote complete, semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. So this SQL statement will set a new password which is pass1234 for PN tutorials user. I will press enter. If we see query OK message, then we should have a new password for this user. Enter flush privileges to tell the server to reload the grant tables. Type flush privileges, semicolon, press enter. Exit out of MySQL database server using quit, semicolon, press enter. Now let's confirm if the new password has been set successfully. I will enter mysql-u PN tutorials -p, press enter, and this time enter new password for PN tutorials. In my case it's pass1234, press enter, and sure enough I am able to log into PN tutorials user account by using new password. I will log out of my MySQL database server using quit, semicolon, press enter, and clear the screen. Suppose I forgot MySQL root user password, and if I type MySQL connect command like mysql-u root-p, press enter, and this time I will intentionally enter invalid password, and we get this access denied for user root at localhost error message. Let's learn how we can reset MySQL database root user password. Close the terminal window and go to Mac System Preferences. Open this MySQL Instances window. Select the MySQL instance and click this Stop MySQL Server button. Enter operating system user password in the pop-up window. Press OK. And once the MySQL server instance is stopped, close the window, open terminal window and enter sudo pkill mysqld. Press enter. Enter operating system user password. Press enter. Now go to MySQL bin folder using cd space /usr /local/mysql/bin. Press enter, and on this bin folder enter sudo mysqld _safe space -- skip grant tables space skip networking. When we execute this command, the MySQL server instance will get started, but when we connect to database server, it will not ask database user password. I will press enter, And here you can see a message starting MySQL daemon with databases. Keep this terminal window open, and on terminal window icon, right click and select New Window. In another terminal window, we will log into MySQL database server without password. First of all, go to MySQL bin folder using cd/usr/local/mysql/bin, press enter, and this time enter MySQL connect command without password like mysql-u root, press enter, and this time we should directly log into MySQL server without password. Now reload the grant table using flush privileges, press enter, and change root user password using SQL statement alter user in single quote root single quote complete at in single quote localhost single quote complete identified by in single quotes new password. I will enter a new password, pass 5678 single quote complete semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. This alter SQL statement will set a new password which is pass 5678 in my case to root user account. Press enter, and if we see this query OK message, then the new password has been set. Let's reload the grant tables again using flush privileges and exit out of MySQL database server using quit command. Press enter. Before we confirm if the root password has been changed, let's stop the temporary MySQL instance we started earlier. Sudo pkill mysqld, press enter, enter operating system user password, and close both terminal windows. Now go to Mac System Preferences and open MySQL Instances window, and once again start normal MySQL instance, start MySQL server, enter operating system user password, press OK. Once MySQL instance has been started, close the window and open terminal window. On terminal window, change directory to MySQL bin folder using cd/usr/local/mysql/bin, press enter, and enter MySQL connect command like mysql-u root-p, press enter, and this time the new root user account password we set in previous step. I will enter my new root user password which is pass 5678, press enter, and sure enough I am logged into my MySQL database server using the new password, and here we can confirm that our MySQL database root user account password has been changed. In this video tutorial, we learned how to reset MySQL 8 database root user password as well as non-root user password. I hope you understood the password reset steps given in this video tutorial. If you encounter errors or didn't understand something, feel free to ask me questions in the comment section of this video. Finally, if you like this video tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.